न्यू मॉर्निंग BNI। आई एम राजा शुक्ला, द डायरेक्टर कंसल्टेंट BNI न्यू दिल्ली, और हम आज बात कर रहे हैं टैप 25 के बेस्ट एम्बेसडर पॉडकास्ट सीरीज में। हमारे साथ हैं गगन सेठ। कैसे हैं सर?
बहुत बढ़िया सर। न्यू मॉर्निंग।
न्यू मॉर्निंग। सो गगन सेठ इज फ्रॉम चैप्टर ऑपुलेंस एंड हिज कैटेगरी इज जनरल इंश्योरेंस। सो आपको एम्बेसडर बनके कैसा लग रहा है सर?
सर एलिवेटेड, व्हाट आई कैन से, भाई बेटर देन द बेस्ट। सो आपने अगर इस चीज के लिए मुझे मौका दिया, सो आई एम ऑब्लाइज्ड एंड ग्रेटफुल टू BNI सो दैट उन्होंने मुझे ये मौका दिया। थैंक यू सो मच।
सबसे ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट टैप 25 को लेके क्या है?
बिजनेस।
बिजनेस, ओके, दैट्स कूल। बिजनेस तो वन सेगमेंट, एंड व्हाट अदर्स?
सी, जो भी हमारा जैसे टैप के लिए बात चल रही थी, तो टैप के लिए हमने जब शुरुआत करी तो स्टार्टिंग से ही ना हमारा एजेंडा क्या था। आई हैव सीन मेनी नेटवर्किंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड तो क्या होता है कि जब हम एक फोकस एरिया पे जा रहे थे और जो हम टैप में देख रहे हैं वो वी डोंट हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम द बेस्ट, वी हैव टू compete with the best, and now here what we are doing at tap is better than the best what I have seen। क्योंकि आगे आके क्या होगा ये सिर्फ आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो। इट इज ओनली मैजिक which is going to happen in tap।
सो आपने टैप 23 अटेंड किया था?
Yes, I attended tap और वहीं से ही मेरे में BNI के लिए स्पार्क आया और BNI के लेके मेरे को और कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि yes, BNI can work from me, because when you see people around you, they trust you at a certain level and they want to mingle with you, means they want to do business with you and they are ready to give business. So that is amazing. You can't find it anywhere else.
So if you want to define tap 25 in your words, so for the benefit of the viewers, how would you define tap 25?
So tap 25 means it is what you have made it is completely a cocktail. So if you have ever had a LIT, it is an LIT. So you have business, you have fun element, you have keynote speakers and whatnot. See, people around you are wanting to give you business. They are eager to meet with you. What else can you expect on a business platform? You have keynote speakers who can give you motivational speeches and who can tell you more about the lifestyle, more about life, how to do business and whatnot. So learning is there, fun is there, enjoyment is there. You have people around, you have friends around. What else do you want from tap?
Absolutely, absolutely. That's an iconic. Okay, so one question. Tap 25, yes, entertainment is there, the conclaves there. Which one you are interested for the most?
See, although I won't be more benefited with the this architecture conclave, but Build India conclave, which we call, so that will be amazing. See, wannabe architects and builders of the society will be present over there. So people of our infra team, they are looking forward to meet those architects and they are coming there to meet us and they are willing to give business or meet. Even if your visiting card reaches their office, that makes a difference itself. So whenever you can expect a call from them, so you have a chance to meet them, you have a chance to display your products, you have a chance to showcase your elevator pitch. So what else do you want over here?
Okay, so one message to the non-registered members, why they should register and especially attend the Building India conclave.
See, infra people must attend this conclave. Nevertheless, you don't have such opportunities in your lifetime to get to meet all those people. And those who have not registered, उनसे तो बस यही कहना चाहूँगा, भाई अब register कर लो, अब नहीं किया तो कब करोगे?
So Gagan, you are among one of the best ambassadors we have in our region, and out of 34 chapters, you've chosen to be, one of the best. So what makes you different from other ambassadors, or maybe how do you see yourself different from them that is leading towards contribution to tap 25?
I don't know, but that must be a far-sightedness from Sunil sir that they saw in me, so they have selected me as an ambassador. So earlier also, so what in our opulence, what we do is we don't wait for the other people to give us or assign us a task. If we feel that it is a task to be done, we step ahead and we take a step forward and we do it ourselves. If there is anything wrong happening or somebody needs a support, so we take a step forward and we do it. So that is how opulence works. So in our area also, the Tab Ambassador concept came later in the time, and I was registered in December itself.
Okay.
So from then onwards, we started building it up. So we pushed people to register for TAP. We pushed people to take stalls. We took a soft approvals from them for stalls, and then we built it up later on. And this TAP Ambassador thing came on, and rest is in front of you.
Well done. So well done. You have been so contributing and so energetic when it comes to TAP 25. So, what is your preparation to meet 300 plus exhibitors and to meet 2000 plus delegates from B9 New Delhi? What is your preparation? And at the same time, how do you want us to prepare for it?
So my team is ready. I have a stall booked over there. So my team is ready. My salespeople are ready. They are on their toes. My stationery is getting ready. Everything is, we are preparing it for TAP. And I just request everybody to come and see us, visit our stall, and that's it.
So, एक question है, this TAP 25, is it only for B9 members?
No. We can have visitors also. Visitors also can see the conclave area, because as we have architects coming in, we can have registered visitors who can join us throughout the conclave and throughout the BNI thing. Otherwise, also the visitors, the stall area is free for visitors.
So, do you attend conclaves, Gagan?
Yes, I do attend.
So, how do you find this conclave, TAP 25, different from other conclaves that you have attended?
So this feels right now on a blueprint. We are very planned. It is a very organized event. We have planned for our visitors. We have planned for who is going to attend, who is capable, who is eligible to attend those conclaves. So only the eligible people will be allowed to be in the conclave, so that our visitors are secure and visitors are not spammed. So in other conclaves also, you can't find multiple businesses. Likewise, right now we were talking about infra team. We have events team also. We have diplomatic conclave also. So we have different verticals. Even as I am from general insurance, so everybody needs general insurance. We have other people also. Somebody is from plywood industry. Somebody is from digital marketing. Somebody sells computers. So every conclave which I have attended earlier is an industry specific event. But here, what we can see, multiple businesses, multiple quality businesses are available at TAP. It is just how many you are going to tap upon.
Cool. So let's do some rapid fire with you.
Oh,
Ready?
Can be
So-
risky, yes.
It's not that risky. Lekin be cautious, because whatever the first thing that comes
First
in your
word
mind
comes
is the
in your
response you have to
Perfect.
give. Alright?
Perfect. Go ahead.
So, if not BNI, then what?
Novel business.
The business? Okay. The one fear that you have in your chapter.
There is no such fear. It is, everything is under control. And until and unless it is in our hands, it is under control. I have core people around me. It is sorted.
Okay, cool. इसके बारे में थोड़ा बात करेंगे.
जी.
बताओ.
So, our president, Varun Bansal, very energetic, very visionary. So, he takes care of things himself.
Okay.
Otherwise, we have Hemant with us. We have core team, everybody, the older people, the seasoned members. They are very helpful in taking up all the responsibilities. Plus, the new members also are being, what we can say, mentored or nurtured in this way, so that they can lead forward. So we are preparing leaders further also.
Great. So you're creating leaders in a chapter, huh?
Trying
Under your
to.
leadership? Very
Trying
well
to,
done.
yes.
That's one of the best thing that a leader does. He creates leader. So good. Now, next rapid fire. अगर अवार्ड लेना है तो किससे लेना है?
अवार्ड लेना है तो किससे लेना है?
25 के स्टेज पे है.
स्वामी गौर गोपाल दास से.
स्वामी गौर गोपाल दास, आप उनके ग्रेट फॉलोअर्स हो.
Extremely. Extreme follower. Whatever he says just blends into my heart, what I can say.
So, for the viewers, Swami Gaur Gopal Das is one of our keynote speakers. He's attending TAP 25, and you cannot miss this, I'm telling you, because this ticket gives you a bunch of benefits. So Gaur Gopal Das, you have keynote speakers like Pankaj Bansal, Deepak Vora, and what else? You tell me.
So we have keynote speakers as Pankaj Bansal,
Mhm.
Deepak Vora, Swami Gaur Gopal Das, and we have inauguration done by CM Rekha Gupta, and we have entertainment from first day is Palash Sen, and the second day it is band Kailasha. So Kailash Kher is not to be missed.
So who do you like the most, Palash Sen or Kailash Kher?
Both are extremely good, but my inclination is towards Kailash Kher.
कैलाश खेर
Yeah.
कैलाश खेर का कोई गाना याद है?
हाँ,
हैं? अच्छा, उसके फॉलोअर हो आप। अगर पलाश ने बोल दिया नहीं भाई मैं नहीं आता, गगन ने मेरे को गलत बोल दिया, वो कैलाश को ज्यादा प्रेफर करता है, मुझे नहीं करता, तो मेरे में एंट्री नहीं मिलेगी। जो लोग कैलाश खेर को नहीं, मतलब जो पलाश सेन को नहीं सुनना चाहते, जो कैलाश को ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं, मेरे में नहीं आएंगे।
पहले दिन यूफोरिया कौन फैलाएगा? फर्स्ट डे वी
Smart.
नीड यूफोरिया।
So इसी में ऑलमोस्ट दो दिन है ना,
हाँ।
एक दिन कैलाश खेर, एक दिन पलाश सेन, कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं है।
Correct.
Full entertainment.
Absolutely.
Okay, cool. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We have Gagan Seth from Chapter Opulence. He is into general insurance category, and thank you so much for your time, Gagan. Wish you all
Thank
the best.
you. Just the closing words, what I can say,
Mhm.
BNI TAP is our PM's motto, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. So you can see what Vikas we can do together. We can have lot of business opportunities over there. और फिर अरदास यही होती है, नानक नाम चढ़दी कला तेरे पाने सरबत दा भला। तो वहां पे सभी का भला होने वाला है।
क्या?
आप आओ और आशीर्वाद सबका लेके जाओ।
So एक और चीज, रजिस्टर कितनी जल्दी कर लें?
एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, बिकॉज अब तो रजिस्ट्रेशन ही क्लोज होने वाली है। अभी तो टाइम ही नहीं है कि भाई अब आप आगे सोचो, बिकॉज उसके बाद तो सिर्फ डे पासेस मिलेंगे। उसके लिए भी आपको ये कहना पड़ेगा भाई पास का अरेंजमेंट करवा दो।
Well done, well done. Thank you so much.